These simple ingredients at home have made my hair so thick in a short period of time. Today I will be sharing with you some of the ingredients I use. Keep watching and enjoy. Today's hair recipe is very simple to make with just 2 ingredients. To begin, we are going to be needing 2 small red onions. You can also use white onions. Just feel free to use any type of onions you have. For me, I prefer using red onions because they are more powerful or stronger as compared to white onions. So to begin, I'm just peeling off the onions outer skin, and then I'll proceed into cutting them into small pieces. Onions are beneficial for increasing hair growth and hair thickness. They contain sulfur, which is beneficial for increasing hair thickness. If you have bald spots, hair thinning, baldness, or you are trying to grow your hair, then introducing onions to your hair care routine will be a game changer because it helps to reverse even bald spots if you have them. So if you use onions consistently, you will see result in a short period of time. So consider introducing onions to your hair care routine if you are struggling with hair loss, baldness, or all the problems I have mentioned. The next ingredient we have is rosemary. We will be needing dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary is beneficial. It helps to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. And increased blood circulation helps to increase hair growth. So if you have issues like bald spots, hair thinning, receding hairline, dandruff, and you want to grow your hair faster and fuller, then you need to use rosemary. And if you've never used it before, this herb is a magic. It grows hair like crazy. I'm talking from experience because I have been using this herb and it has really helped me to grow my hair thick and long. So now I'm going to transfer each ingredient to a pot. I'm just going to add a few tablespoons of rosemary. I don't know if it's a tablespoons, but I'm just scooping in amount that I see will be enough for the treatment that I want to make. And then I'm just adding some water, about 1.5 cup, and I'm giving it a little stir. And after that, I'm gonna cover the ingredients and I will transfer them to a stove and allow them to cook for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, they have already started boiling. The water is already changing the color. So you're just going to stir this or just wait until the color completely change from until it changes into something like dark brown. That's what you know that it's ready. And then go ahead and remove it from heat. Allow it to cool down for some time and then proceed to strain out. I hope you guys are still watching this video after this point, and if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and also give this video a thumbs up. So as you can see, this is how our treatment is looking like. That's the color I was looking for. It is very effective because all the nutrients got infused in water. Now I'm gonna transfer to a spray bottle and I'll cover and proceed into the application as I show you how I use it on my hair. So this is how my hair looks right now. Today I will be taking down these twists. They are almost 4 weeks old, and today I'm gonna wash my hair, so I will be taking them down. So I'm using this spray to hydrate them, and so that I can be able to take the twist down without any stress. My hair is really tangled. So what I'm doing first, I'm gonna spray the treatment all over my hair and squeeze in so that each single section is well hydrated. And then after that, I take it down slowly by slowly just to avoid unnecessary breakage. Once I'm done, I spray it again to hydrate it more. And then I use my fingers to finger detangle. I'm just doing this lightly, and then the other sections I will do them off the camera because my hair is really tangled and I need to take time. This spray is beneficial. It can be used as a leave-in treatment for the scalp. If you can tolerate the onion smell, just use it as a leave-in. But if you can't, you can just use it as a rinse out. You apply it to your hair, then cover it with a plastic bag and wait for about 10 to 45 minutes and then rinse it off. But if you can, or if you have something like essential oils, you can add in order to get rid of the onion smell. So most of the time, if I'm not adding any essential oil, I just use it as a rinse off. But if I wanted to have all the full benefits on my hair and scalp, I just add any essential oil of my choice. If you have hair issues like baldness, you have hair thinning, dandruff, then you need to use this as a leave-in treatment so you get all the amazing benefits. This treatment is very beneficial for both scalp and hair. So you do not need to only apply on the scalp, you can also apply on your hair. And again, one important tip I always like to tell you guys is that never skip moisturizing your hair with a leave-in and a butter or oil, because leave-in treatments or sprays are drying because they are just watery. So after you apply it as a leave-in, just follow up with a your favorite leave-in conditioner and then seal in moisture with butter, hair butter or oil of your choice. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.